So, got a electric mower, brand new. If you can see it right there. You can also see that I got my tools sitting down right there, a whole host of parts and everything. I'm not sure if you should invest in an electric mower at this point because this one has been a nightmare. I did get it. Let me preface. I did get it for very, very cheap because of the issue that it's having. Long story short, this is a mower that will turn on. It will light up, battery charges, but it won't move. I am now turning into an electrician, mechanic, electrical engineer to track down the issue using a multimeter. I've never used a multimeter. Didn't even know the name of the tool before I got this thing right here. My experience with this has not been that great. Especially this is a yard force, 48 volt, 38 inch, 2-blade riding lawnmower. I thought just like all the other mowers out there, there were a whole community of people who've worked on it, or there's manuals, very detailed manuals that I could look at to fix this issue. But lo and behold, there is not for this particular brand, which is Yard Force, Meritech. I think Merotech is the parent company or brand that actually sells or manufactures the Yard Force brand. But there is a very large Ryobi riding lawnmower group on Facebook that I found that has a bunch of resources out there, and just people talking about what they've done and how to upgrade the lawnmower or to get it working again. Because, like I stated, this one has 0 miles on it. It has not moved. It was manufactured and it has not moved, which is wild. It'd be defective or have a major issue without any use. It's just wild to me that can happen. So I'm on the hunt to try to save $1, and I'm gonna spend a lot of my time figuring out how to make this thing work. I've tracked it down to a couple of things that could be wrong, but again, this is my first time diving into the electronics of the electric riding lawnmower. I have a gas-powered lawnmower, and there are countless videos out there on how to fix that. So I've replaced the belt, I've changed the blades, the steering pin came out, I had to fix that. Just adjusting the steering, changing the tires, taking the tire off, all that stuff is well documented and out there for everyone. Not for this particular brand, so it's not one-to-one, but they are very similar in where the Ryobi to this riding lawnmower. I was trying to find the Ego riding lawnmowers, but I think that one's a little bit different. But the Ryobi and this lawnmower have very, very similar schematics and parts. The one thing that I found that was different was this drive unit, which I'm thinking is the drive unit. I haven't checked that yet, but I want to show you the drive unit is different. Whew. Okay, I just got leaning in because I gotta tell y'all, I think I found the drive controller and the issue that I hope will fix this beast right here. So I don't think I had to take it all the way apart like I did right there, but if this doesn't fix it, I probably would have. But let me show y'all what I found. They're all color coded like this, or whatever. Let me get you They're all color coded. I'm just gonna take that off. But I was trying to figure out how to unhook it because it has this long cable right here. And I was thinking that I had to cut the wires on the end right here, so I just took it apart. I was looking at the red terminal, and some dust came out of it. I was like, okay, maybe that's the issue because I think this thing burned up. So I'm gonna take the top off. Show you. Let me see. You see that? I don't think that's supposed to look like that inside of there. Look at there. You see that? I don't think that's supposed to happen. It's not supposed to look like that. So of course this thing doesn't work. It looked like there was a fire inside of here. So I'm hoping. I mean, it's burned up too. I don't know if you can see those holes. You see those holes in there? Down by those posts, the screw post. Those holes there was a fire in there. I guess it went out, but this thing is shot. So I got on the phone with Yard Force, and they gave me a part number that is not on this thing. That part number that they gave me is not what's on this controller right here. So I'm going to order it, and at the time of this recording, it was $262, I believe, for the drive controller, which I'm thinking this is because it was connected to this end right here, was connected to the motor, so I'm guessing that's the drive controller. One issue could be solved. I know this thing looked like it's been in a fire, so I'm going to replace this part and see if I can get this thing moving again. I hope it don't take 3 weeks for me to get this part because I just bought it and I want to try it out. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.